I need you tonight. Together we can go crazy. We can put out the lights. Together we can go, we can go. I look straight in your eyes, and everything is so hazy. It is just you and I, and everything is so, thing is so. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a fall decor unboxing. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how I decorate for fall right through to Halloween. I hope you enjoy.
You're keeping up with steps I take, so we just.
So guys, every year I play along with the rest of the world. It is currently winter time here in Australia, and I couldn't wait to start sharing with you, unboxing my beautiful pumpkins and getting them ready. Now this is how I decorate for fall in Australia right through to Halloween. So I'm going to show you all my fall decor and what I'll be using this year, as well as what I won't. I hope you enjoy. Now there's definitely no denying that pumpkin season is well and truly my favourite season to decorate. That very closely by Christmas. Now guys, I have quite a pumpkin collection now. Over the years, TK Maxx have brought out some amazing pumpkins, but truly it really is our only form of purchasing pumpkins here in Australia. Now we usually don't get them till a little bit towards September, so they put them out on the shelves in the lead up to Halloween. Other than that, very minimal stores sell anything pumpkin related. So I took advantage of shopping at TK Maxx and getting these beautiful pumpkins. Now my overseas friends can go in just about any store when fall is approaching, guys, and they have so many choices of pumpkins. Now my beautiful friend Betsy Ann here on YouTube, who I love and adore so much, guys, has been so kind over the years and gifted me some fall decor that we can't get our hands on here in Australia, and I'm going to share that with you now. So I'm just going to show you some of my favourite pumpkins that I plan on using this year. Now I'm going to start off with my only blush pink pumpkin. I picked this little guy up last year. Now it did actually have Mr. and Mrs. 2020 written on the back. So I just went, you know what, I'm just going to flip it around, and I added a little Chanel bow, and I just love this little pumpkin.
I wanna be weightless.
Now this sparkly gold one is from Z Gallery. I purchased these online a few years ago, and they are my favourite pumpkins by far. Now these I purchased in a set of 3, but you can purchase them individually. Now I'm not sure if Z Gallery will bring them out this year, but they have in previous years, guys, so definitely check out their website closer to the fall season for my overseas friends. Now, a couple of years ago, I picked up these beautiful gold and white pumpkins. Now, I'm showing you here the large pumpkin, but I also got 2 small ones, and I love grouping these pumpkins together in a group of 3. They really look stunning on my mantle.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door.
Now last year from TK Maxx, I picked up these beautiful sequin pumpkins. Now, I purchased 2 silver ones as well as a beautiful rose gold. The thing I really love about these pumpkins, guys, that they weren't ceramic and they remind me of little pillows, so I can put them in any style of decor in my home. Now, last year, Target Australia brought out these beautiful little pumpkins that are champagne gold with some sequins. I used them in my fall home tour from last year. I also have these beautiful little DIY pumpkins that I do. Now, you've seen me do many a DIY, and this little silver one was just an orange plastic pumpkin that I purchased off eBay, and I spray painted and added some glitter. I also have these beautiful gold glitter leaves. Now, these were actually a couple of years ago I picked up from Big W, and they brought them out at Christmas time, and I love bringing them out at winter and decorating my home with them because they are so sparkly and glam. Now, on cozy cold nights, I always love the flicker of a candle. I recently picked up this beautiful large gold one from Kmart, and I think it is absolutely stunning. Now, also from Kmart, I fell in love with these beautiful candle holders. Now, I loved the gold detail, guys. I'm really drawn to gold at the moment, and I'm planning on sharing with you all my pumpkin decorating in blush pink and gold. That's my theme that I'm going to share this year. Now, my beautiful friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, has gifted me some beautiful pumpkin decor over the years, and these are some of them. This beautiful gold sequin table runner is absolutely stunning, and she also gifted me this beautiful pumpkin cushion. I love how glam and gold they are, guys. It definitely goes with my pink and gold theme this year. My little glam heart was so excited when she sent me these beautiful glam pumpkins. They have a little tea light inside and they look so pretty at night. She got these for me in the medium and the small, and I just love the look of these. Now, mixing in with the blush pink and the golds, I always love to bring in some leopard print. This beautiful cushion I recently picked up just a few months ago from TK Maxx, and I absolutely love how soft it is, but I really love this particular colour of leopard print. Now, when decorating my vases for cold winter nights, I love bringing in warm, earthy tones. I picked up this pampas grass from Kmart about a month ago for my daughter's boho 21st, and I knew I'd have the perfect vase for this when it comes to my cozy decorating. Now, I also love bringing out my little owl collection. I love this little collection that I have. These ones are in a group of 3 that I got from 1825 Interiors, and I also got this book stack from 1825 Interiors, and I love putting the owls on top as well as this chunky beaded garland.
Let's go.
Now, when it comes to decorating my coffee bar, I love to bring out my adorable little coffee mugs. Now, these both are from Etsy, guys, the leopard print pumpkin one, as well as the Ray Dunn inspired decals that I just did a DIY on little white mugs. The mugs were just $1 each.
We do this every day, and
Now, you know your girl Chelle loves to shop on Amazon, and I recently picked up this adorable coffee sign. I like my coffee hot just like my husband. I thought this was adorable, guys. I love how it was rustic and had the beautiful beads to hang.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
Guys, it is so cold here in Australia right now. In fact, we had some snow over the weekend, and it isn't even August yet, guys, which is usually our coldest month. Everyone who you talk to is saying how cold this winter has been because it seems to be cold everywhere. But I love most of all, guys, spending my nights by the fire in my cozy PJs, having my candles burning as well as my fireplace, and enjoying a hot chocolate.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.